I choose these monuments? I choose Central Park because it changed the idea of talking about an outside place, especially in these times of crisis. Kilometers long and 800 meters wide. It is a beautiful garden in the middle of a forest of skyscrapers. You will love going there because this is also a crazy playground. Tennis, basketball, boat, roller skates, ice skating in winter, swimming in summer. You can do almost everything. There is even a zoo with lions, polar bears, and monkeys. A little tired of all these activities? All you have to do is lie down on New York's largest lawn, the Sheep Meadow. In all this bitumen stretch in New York, I am sure you would like to enjoy and have a good time in Central Park.